Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of finance, specifically focusing on a name you might be hearing more about, Comdirect. But before we jump in, let's set the stage. The world of banking is changing. Traditional brick-and-mortar institutions are facing fierce competition from online-first challengers. These new players offer sleek interfaces, competitive rates, and a focus on convenience. Comdirect falls under this online-focused umbrella. But with a name like that, it can be easy to wonder, is Comdirect a global giant or a regional player? The answer might surprise you. So, buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and let's explore how far Comdirect's reach truly extends. A brief history of Comdirect. To understand Comdirect's footprint, we need to rewind a bit. Back in 1994, a major German bank, Commerzbank, decided to tap into the growing online banking trend. They weren't just dipping their toes in, they were diving headfirst with the creation of Comdirect. Think of it this way, Comdirect was Commerzbank's way of saying, hey, the future is digital, and we're on board. They positioned themselves as a one-stop shop for private customers, offering a wide range of products like current accounts, savings options, and even stock trading. Here's the key takeaway. From the very beginning, Comdirect was a German-focused entity. Their website is primarily in German, and their services cater specifically to the needs of the German market. So, is Comdirect international? Now, things get interesting. During the late 1990s, Comdirect did attempt to expand beyond Germany. They partnered with another German giant, Deutsche Telekom, to explore opportunities in other European countries. However, these ventures didn't quite take off. Comdirect ultimately refocused its efforts on the German market, realizing that's where they could offer the most value and build a strong customer base. Fast forward to today, and Comdirect remains very much a German bank. Their website offers limited language options, and their services are designed with German regulations and financial products in mind. Does this mean they can't help you? Here's the good news, even if you're not based in Germany, there might still be a way for Comdirect to be relevant to you. Commerzbank, Comdirect's parent company, does have a more international presence. If you have specific banking needs that align with Commerzbank's offerings, they might be a better option to explore. The takeaway, think local, not global. Comdirect might be a name you encounter in the online banking world, but it's important to remember their primary focus is on Germany. While their services might not be readily available internationally, there are always alternative solutions depending on your specific needs. Exploring other options, a quick word. If you're looking for an online bank with a broader reach, don't worry, there are plenty of options out there. International players like Charles Schwab or Interactive Brokers offer a wider range of products and cater to a more global audience. Remember, do your research. Consider factors like fees, account types, and investment options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.